Perfect. Continue with the topic. We'll start with rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. Remember that this is equal to the average force exerted. Now, if this force is equal to rate of change of momentum, whenever we find this word rate, what does it mean? Something is being divided by time, right? And what is being divided by time over here? Change of momentum. So even if you remember this line, rate of change of momentum is equal to the average force exerted, you can formulate this question, this formula. So F is equal to change in momentum over time, which is mv minus mu over t. Okay. So mv minus mu over t is gonna be your new formula. Note this down. Again, m is your mass, v is your velocity, u is your again velocity, but this is your final, this is your initial. ठीक है? And this is your mass, kg. Kg, meters per second. What is the unit for force? What do we add after force? Yep. फोर्स के बाद क्या लिखते होते हैं? एवरीवन, फोर्स के बाद क्या लिखते होते हैं? फोर्स का यूनिट क्या है? न्यूटन। बोला करें अच्छा। न्यूटन, कैपिटल एन। नोट दिस डाउन। Okay, so we'll do a small question. I have an object, 5 kilograms. It's traveling at a speed of 2 meters per second. It then accelerates and starts traveling at 7 meters per second. Okay, and the time taken is 2 seconds, let's suppose. The question is find the average force exerted. Find the force exerted. ठीक है? You just have to find the force exerted. Now, the first step of this question is to find the change in momentum. अभी जो आप लोगों ने जितने क्वेश्चन आप लोगों ने अभी ऊपर किए हैं, all of those questions you found, I believe we did like 4 questions, right? Yep. You find the change in momentum. You found the impulse, right? So you guys know how to do the first step. mv minus mu should not bother you. And then you just need to divide it by time. So I'm going to attempt this question to 5 kilograms. Sorry, 5. The final velocity is positive 7 minus again 5 into positive 2. Time, what is the time? Time is again 2 seconds. So this is going to be 35 minus 10 over 2, which is 25 over 2, which is 12.5 Newton. So the average force exerted on the object during these 2 seconds is 12.5 seconds. Is this clear? You just need to substitute the values and solve this. It's all mathematical stuff. I don't think there's something very confusing over here. However, attempt this other question as well, just so you guys are clear. टाइम कितना रखेंगे guys? Let's go with 2.5 seconds. Usually they give you time in seconds. Attempt this question. T is equal to 2.5 seconds. ये अटेम्प्ट करें। जल्दी से। The time taken is 2.5 seconds. Minus 20. Hmm. I believe your answer is correct. We can attempt it. So F is equal to mv minus mu over t. So that's going to be m is going to be 10. Final velocity is going to be negative 2 minus 10 into positive 3 over 2.5. ऊपर वाले का if I'm not wrong minus 50 आंसर आता है, नीचे it's 2.5. So yup, the answer is going to be minus 20 Newton. Minus 20 Newton. Newton. ठीक हो गया? Is this clear, everyone? सबका आंसर यही है? Did all of you attempt this question correctly or not? So this is your pretty much rate of change of momentum, which is equal to your average force exerted. This is your formula, and these are the questions that you should be able to do. Okay, during these questions, you'll find a few words that are repeated quite oftenly: stationary and rest. Both of these represent the same thing, and that is that your velocity at that point is 0 meters per second. It means that it's not moving. So they can either start the question with a stationary object starts moving, or object reads rest, it reaches a stationary position, something like that. So if it's initial, then you assume that the initial velocity is zero. If the scenario says that it reaches a stationary point towards the end of the scenario, so that means कि आपके पास final velocity is going to be zero. Is this part clear? It's not moving. ठीक हो गया?